What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. Today we're talking about nutrition, the cornerstone of a healthy and vibrant life. Nutrition isn't just about eating, it's about fueling your body with the right kinds of foods that can help you thrive. You see, what you put into your body matters. Every bite you take can either nourish you or harm you. It's crucial to make informed choices. It affects your energy levels, your mood, your sleep, literally everything. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. That's the power of good nutrition. But with so much information out there, it's easy to make mistakes. From fad diets to misleading labels, navigating the world of nutrition can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving into 15 gigantic nutrition mistakes you need to avoid. These are common pitfalls that can derail your health goals. Let's make some positive changes. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make better food choices and lead a healthier, happier life. So let's get started. We've all heard it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but how many of us actually take it seriously? In our rush to get out the door, breakfast often becomes an afterthought, or worse, completely skipped. A healthy breakfast can set the tone for the entire day. It provides essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly. Think of it as the fuel that powers your engine. But why is it so crucial? After a night of fasting, your body needs fuel to kickstart your metabolism and replenish energy stores. Without it, you might find yourself feeling sluggish and unfocused. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day and can cause energy crashes. When you skip breakfast, your body goes into a sort of survival mode, making you crave high-calorie foods to make up for the missed meal. Common mistakes? Grabbing a sugary donut or relying on just coffee. These options might give you a quick energy boost, but they won't sustain you for long and can lead to a mid-morning energy slump. Instead, aim for a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think eggs, avocado, and whole grain toast. These foods will keep you full and energized, helping you to stay focused and productive throughout the day. So, don't start your day wrong. Make time for a nutritious breakfast. Let's be honest, we all love a bit of convenience. But overconsumption of processed foods is a recipe for disaster. These often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and a laundry list of artificial ingredients your body simply doesn't know how to process. This can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. We all have a sweet tooth, but excessive sugar intake is wreaking havoc on our health. From sugary drinks to processed snacks, sugar hides everywhere. This can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even affects your mood and energy levels. Be mindful of added sugars in processed foods and drinks. Opt for natural sugars from fruits and limit your intake of sweets and sugary beverages. Chapter 4. Fad diets. Don't be fooled. The latest fad diets promise quick fixes, but they often do more harm than good. These restrictive diets are not sustainable and can lead to nutrient deficiencies and yo-yo dieting. Remember, there's no magic bullet. Focus on building healthy, sustainable eating habits for long-term success. Consult a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Chapter 5. Stay hydrated. Water is life. Water is essential for life, yet so many of us don't drink enough. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, poor concentration, and even kidney stones. Aim to drink water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and make it a habit to stay hydrated. Listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Chapter 6. Skipping meals backfires. Don't starve yourself. Skipping meals might seem like a good way to cut calories, but it can backfire. When you skip a meal, especially breakfast, you might feel like you're saving time and reducing your calorie intake. However, this can lead to a cascade of negative effects on your body and mind. When you skip meals, your blood sugar levels drop, leading to cravings and overeating later. This can cause you to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat during your next meal, which defeats the purpose of skipping the meal in the first place. Your body craves the energy it missed, and you might find yourself eating more than you intended. It also slows down your metabolism and can lead to nutrient deficiencies. When your body doesn't get the nutrients it needs, it can affect your energy levels, mood, and even your skin. You might feel more tired, irritable, and notice changes in your complexion. Over time, this can lead to more serious health issues. Aim to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day to keep your energy levels stable and your metabolism humming. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods ensures that your body gets the vitamins and minerals it needs to function properly. This not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but also supports overall well-being. So, don't starve yourself. Nourish your body with regular, balanced meals. Chapter 7. Portion Control, Size Does Matter. We live in a world of supersized portions, but bigger isn't always better. Overeating, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain and health problems. Be mindful of your portion sizes. Use smaller plates, listen to your body's hunger cues, and avoid eating until you're overly full. Chapter 8. Macronutrient Balance, the Holy Trinity of Nutrition. Carbohydrates, protein, and fats are the three macronutrients our bodies need. Each plays a crucial role in our health and well-being. An imbalance in macronutrients can lead to weight gain, low energy, and other health issues. Aim for a balanced intake of all three macronutrients. Consult a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. Chapter 9. Fiber Up, Your Gut Will Thank You. Fiber is essential for digestive health, blood sugar control, and even weight management. Many of us don't consume enough fiber in our diets. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in your diet. These fiber-rich foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied, regulate your digestion, and promote overall health. Too much sodium in our diets can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Processed foods are often loaded with hidden sodium. Be mindful of your sodium intake. Read food labels carefully, cook more meals at home, and limit your intake of processed foods and restaurant meals. While supplements can be helpful in some cases, they should never replace a healthy, balanced diet. Focus on getting your nutrients from whole foods. Supplements should be used to complement your diet, not replace it. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Vitamins and minerals are essential for countless bodily functions. A deficiency in any of these can lead to a range of health problems. Make sure you're consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Eat the rainbow. Different colored fruits and vegetables contain different vitamins and minerals. Chapter 13. Slow down. Savor your food. In our fast-paced world, we often rush through meals without even realizing it. Eating too quickly can lead to overeating and digestive discomfort. Take your time and savor each bite. Chew your food thoroughly and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Chapter 14. Mindful Eating. Tune into your body. Mindless eating, often while distracted, can lead to overconsumption and poor food choices. Pay attention to your food and the act of eating. Eliminate distractions, eat at the table, and focus on your meal. This will help you make healthier choices and prevent overeating. Chapter 15. Plan ahead. Don't let hunger sabotage you. Failing to plan your meals is a recipe for disaster. When you're hungry and unprepared, you're more likely to make unhealthy choices. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. This will help you stay on track with your health goals and prevent impulsive, unhealthy decisions. So there you have it, 15 gigantic nutrition mistakes to avoid. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Listen to your body and make gradual, sustainable changes. What are your biggest nutrition struggles? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy.